Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be showing you how to make a last-minute Christmas card in Canva for your friends and family. Let's get started. First, go to Canva. Then create a new design and choose Card. You can choose between portrait and landscape, but for now, I will choose a portrait card. Okay, so I will show you two types of cards in this video. Firstly, there will be the easy pre-made template, which you can edit based on your needs. So, click Templates on the side and choose one that fits you. Let's go with this one. First, remove the random family's picture, and let's replace it with a new picture frame. Go into the Elements section and choose a picture frame. Then find one that you like. Oh, this one is cool. Let's make it a little bigger. Then change the text at the bottom to fit you or your family. Now, let's make a cool DIY card that you can fully customize. First, go to the Elements section and find a rectangle. Resize the rectangle so it fits perfectly on one side of the page. Then press Command or Control-D to duplicate the rectangle. Put the copy on the second side. Make sure they are fully lined up. Then, go into the Color section and make one of them red and the other green for the Christmas vibes. Feel free to choose any shade. Then, go into the Text section and find an aesthetically pleasing font combo. Change the text to Merry Christmas and resize it to fit at the top of the page. Lastly, almost done, go back into the text section and make a new text box. This will be your message. Make the size a little bigger and type up your message. Feel free to pause the video while you write. Now, lastly, if you would like to, choose a couple of cute elements for the bottom of the page. Or you could also add a picture of you or your family there. I will link the finished Canva design in the description. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays!